Hey guys, I'm Deepthi Desikan, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a lip swatch on these liquid lipsticks right here. So these are the Plume Luxe Matte liquid lipsticks. Now I have all the shades. The brand was very kind enough to send me all of the shades, and this video is sponsored by Plume. Sponsored or not, you will see that this video is my 100% honest opinion. I love it when I can swatch lipsticks, talk to you guys about lipsticks, everything lipstick. So anyways, this is what the actual packaging of the liquid lipstick looks like. It is a luxe range, and so the packaging is also really luxe. The price point is at rupees 850, and you can of course pick them up on discount whenever they're running some sales on their website. Now coming to the shades itself, you totally get 9 shades, out of which 7 are matte and the other 2 are their luxe matte lip gloss. So I will talk to you guys a little bit about the formula and how it applies on the lips and the wear time and everything. So this liquid lipstick is infused with vitamin E oil, shea butter and cocoa butter, and I feel like it does definitely add on to the way the liquid lipstick performs on your lips. It glides on like butter. And when I'm talking about glide on, I also want to show you guys the applicator of it. It is very simple. A simple doe foot applicator that gives you precision and picks up just the right amount of product. So it's like one swipe pigmentation. You don't really have to layer it on too much. If you do layer it on a little bit too much, it can get a little bit sticky and uncomfortable. So just apply just the right amount of it, just one swipe, and you would get what you're looking for. And it has a formula that's not too thin and liquid in nature and not too thick as well. So it is a little on the moussier side. So it's a perfect blend of both. And because it is like this, you have to give it about a minute for it to completely dry down on your lips. And I wouldn't recommend pursing your lips together while it is drying down, because it can kind of transfer and be a little bit sticky on your lips. But after that time that you've given it to settle down completely, it has the most comfortable matte finish on your lips. I have one of the shades on my lips right now, and you can see with the ease with which I'm able to talk and move my lips and also purse my lips together, it's not sticky at all. See? So that's what I really like, and I like these kind of formulas, especially when my lips are extremely dry at this time. They are not exaggerating anything all the more. They're not like drying out my lips all the more, not sucking out that moisture from my lips all the more. Usually I like to wear liquid lipsticks when I'm filming, but I refrain from using that because it gives me that line in between. It sucks out the moisture from my lips and makes it look really dry, and it starts to get a little bit awkward because I batch film most of my videos, and I don't remember to hydrate and to drink enough water, and so I'm always filming and constantly talking. So with all of that movement, the lipstick actually starts to fade away from the center, and it's very obvious, and which I don't really like. So I'm always constantly looking out for something like this, which gives me that ease to apply it when I'm filming my videos, because that's what I do most of the time and I want to use something for that. With that being said, it's also quite long wearing, so I will insert a clip of me just after I ate masala dosa, and you can see, okay, this masala dosa had a lot of ghee, but you can see it didn't fade away, it didn't move or budge or bleed or anything of that sort. But if you were to slurp something like really creamy with a spoon, or if you were eating with your hand, it does fade away a little bit from the center of your lips, as it is with all other lip products as well. And also it doesn't really bleed, it doesn't really budge as much, so you can wear this underneath mask as well. The formula of this is something that I really like. It is really comfortable, it is transfer proof, and it has a good wear time as well. So this is the liquid lipstick, which I want to show you guys how it settles down. So it settles down to a matte finish, but the liquid gloss, however, does transfer quite a bit, but it does leave a beautiful stain on your lips. So these are 2 similar shades, so I just wanted to show you guys. So this is the liquid matte, and this is the liquid gloss, which it has that sheen. So this one is settling down to matte and this one is not. So you can choose a formula according to your preference and what you are really looking out for. So the liquid matte gloss, again, it is very pigmented. It's not a very sheer gloss, so you can wear it on its own, or you can mix it up with other lipstick shades of your choice. So that pretty much completes the review portion of this. Now let's get started with the swatches. So the first shade we have is called Blush Babe, and it is a nice blush pink shade. It goes on really nice and smooth, not patchy at all, and it look really nice with outfits like I'm wearing today. So if you wanted to go all pink, it's such a nice pink shade, and just makes you look really fresh. I really love this shade. So the next one we have is called Luxe. This is a little bit more deeper than the previous shade that I showed. That one had a little bit more brightness to it. This is a little bit more deeper, but such a nice wearable pink shade. And so yeah, this is how it looks like on my lips. So the next shade we we have is called Kind of Famous. Now this one is a warm toned pink shade, so this would work as a really nice nude shade for people of medium tan and deeper skin tones for sure. Even I can wear this as a nude shade without makeup. It is not your subtle nude shade, it's not your nude shade, it's more like a pink nude, and it looks really nice on the lips. It's a very nice muted shade, as you can see. Now the next shade we have is the shade Flirtist. This is like a straight up red shade, but it has slight, very slight pink hints to it, which makes it a lot more like brighter and very nice to wear. It makes your teeth look really nice and white as well. And yeah, it's not too warm toned, but not a very cool toned red shade as well. The next shade we have is called Drama Mama. Now this one again is a warm toned shade. It has a little bit of pink as well as brown to it. Again, would serve as a really nice nude shade for medium tan and deeper skin tones, especially if you want to wear it without makeup. With makeup, as you can see, it looks a little bit more deeper on me, but without makeup, this would be a really nice nude shade on my lips. The next one we have is in the shade Dollish, which is their Luxe Matte Liquid Gloss, and it is exactly that. It doesn't really dry down completely to a matte finish, and it's not like too sheeny as well, and it is a pale pink shade, which if you like these kind of shades, of course you can try this one out. I feel like, however, personally it doesn't really flatter my skin tone that well. The next shade we have is called Insta Sister. So this is a peachy shade. It is quite bright. You can pull this one off depending on your preference, irrespective of your skin tone, but I personally think that this would look really nice on people with light and light medium skin tone for sure. The next shade we have is their Luxe Matte Lip Gloss. This one is in the shade Glow Getter, which is very similar to the previous shade that I swatched. It is a similar color family. Of course, this is more glossy and it is a little bit more brighter. The next shade we have is called Money Mover, which is such a nice terracotta burnt orange shade. I really like this shade, and this shade does have like a slight red hint to it as well, which makes it really nice and wearable. So yeah, those were all the swatches. As you guys saw, the color selection is pretty safe. Nothing that is out of the blue, nothing that is very experimental in my opinion, but something that you would definitely find use out of. And my favorite shades from this has to be Luxe, which I have on my lips right now. I love to pair these kind of shades with pink outfits, and something that I have to keep my lips a little bit more subtle but have a little bit of color as well. And I also really like the shade Money Mover, which I can see myself reaching out for so much because it's a very wearable shade, but it is quite different as well. So I really like the shade Money Mover. So yeah, I'm so glad I get to try out different liquid lipstick formulas and everything, because I'm always constantly noting down my favorite formula, because I can eventually update you guys about all of that, something that is a little bit more comfortable, because I think we are at this point where a lot of people want to try liquid lipsticks, but they don't want it to be a little bit too drying. They want it to be comfortable on the lips but also have a decent wear time, and I feel like you would get that with this liquid lipstick. Yeah, let me know what you think about these products in the comment section down below. Also, I will leave all the links and everything in the description box down below for you guys to check out. And while you're at it, give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.